every shadow in the dark, trying to find a place to rest my heart. Every road just led me back alone. Every night felt colder on my own. Then you found me when I least expected light, like a quiet dawn breaking through the night. In your eyes I saw a different view, something real, something true. Now the silence doesn't feel so loud when I'm standing here with you right now. You're the place I run to when I fall apart, like a steady rhythm to my restless heart. Every moment feels like something new. All I need is you. When the world keeps turning way too fast, you're the only thing I know will last. In your arms I finally understand. This is where I am. All the doubts I carry fade away. Every word you say just makes me stay. In your light I'm stronger than before. I don't feel the fear anymore. Every heartbeat moves in time with you, like a dream I never thought came true. And I don't need anything to prove, I just don't wanna lose. Now the silence doesn't feel so loud when I'm standing here with you right now. You're the place I run to when I fall apart, like a steady rhythm to my restless heart. Every moment feels like something new. All I need is you. When the world keeps turning way too fast, you're the only thing I know will last. In your arms I finally understand. This is where I am. If I lose my way, you pull me back. Every broken piece you help me patch. I was searching all my life for this. Now I know I'm living in. You're the place I run to when I fall apart, like a steady rhythm to my restless heart. Every moment feels like something new. All I need is you. When the world keeps turning way too fast, you're the only thing I know will last. In your arms I finally understand. This is where I am. This is where I am. Right here in your hands. I was moving through the noise, through the crowd, trying to feel something real, something loud. But it all felt like a moment passing by, like a shadow in the corner of my mind. Then you found me in the middle of it all, like a silence when the world begins to fall. And your voice was like a place I've never known. Somehow it already felt like home. And I don't need to run anymore. I don't feel like I'm lost like before. Now it's easy just to breathe when you're right here next to me, like the world has slowed down and I'm finally found. Every second feels so true. Every road just leads to you. I don't need anything else. I found heaven in myself. In your eyes I see a softer kind of light, like a sunrise has been waiting all my life. All the questions that I carry disappear when you whisper and I know that you are here. Every heartbeat falls into your rhythm now, like a promise that I don't need a doubt. And the future doesn't scare me anymore. You're the answer I was searching for, and I don't need to run anymore. I don't feel like I'm lost like before. Now it's easy just to breathe when you're right here next to me. Like the world has slowed down, and I'm finally found. Every second feels so true. Every road just leads to you. I don't need anything else. I found heaven in myself. If time fades, let it fade away. I don't need more than this today. In your arms, everything is clear. All I want is already here. Now it's easy just to breathe when you're right here next to me. Like the world has slowed down, and I'm finally found. Every second feels so true. Every road just leads to you. I don't need anything else. I found heaven in myself. Just stay right here with me. That's all I'll ever need. Oh. I was chasing every shadow in the dark, trying to find a place to rest my heart. Every road just led me back alone. Every night felt colder on my own. Then you found me when I least expected light, like a quiet dawn breaking through the night. In your eyes I saw a different view, something real, something true. Now the silence doesn't feel so loud.